So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Toko here. Today I'm going to be filming a look using the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, like a Voss. Yes, I decided to go with this one instead of the Natasha Denona palette, which is extremely expensive. I can't do it. I just can't. So I decided to go with this palette right here, and those are the shades. So it does have names on it, which is really great. I'm going to start with the shade here, Cold Serve. I'm going to use that as my transition color. And it does have a mirror right here. Now that that's done, I am going to go into this shade over here called Voss. And then I'm going to go into this shade right here called Snatched. Hopefully that's darker than Voss. Yep, that is. Just going to take a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe M441, just to clean that up. And then I'm going to take Strong and just put that right in the corner. And just bring the same Strong on the inner part of your eye. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M156 brush. I'm going to take this shade called Girl Crush and just put that right in the middle. And just to have that blend seamlessly, I'm going to take this shade called Realness and blend that with the shade that's already there. I'm just going to need that a little bit darker, so I'm going to go back into that Strong and just dab a little more of that on. So that's how I want the eye to look like. Basically, I just want the brownish or burgundy to kind of blend into that shimmery orange shadow, into that yellowish, shimmery shadow. And then now I'm just going to like line my eye just to get ready for some lashes. I'm going to go in with Voss down the under eye area. And get some of that Strong on the outer part of my eye, my under eye area. And then I'm going to take this shade right here called Inspo. And then back into that strong, just to help buff that out. And for the inner part of my eye, I am going to try and go into the shade called Fierce. Just bring that in there. So I'm just highlighting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. So guys, this is the finished look. I decided to go with a darker lip from Ruby Kisses, and honestly, I like it. I'm always for a bold, you know, like out there type of lip. I don't know, it's just me, that's what I prefer. Like I do like the nude lipsticks and all that, but I just like my lips to like stand out. I don't know why, but I just love it, and I feel like this look goes really well with this lip right here. So but I think you could also try a little bit, if you want to, you could try a little bit of orange. Say like a peachy nude would go with this, but for me, I totally prefer this shade. It's just so out there and I love it. And this palette is gorgeous. It is on the expensive side, but it's much cheaper compared to the Natasha Denona palette, was like 124 or 123, which is extremely pricey and not for me. So this one, the Violet Voss palette, honestly, I love it and adore it. I will be trying different palettes this whole week. I am truly sorry for the delay in uploads. I have been working like crazy, so hopefully I can get myself back on track. My apologies to all my subscribers. I will try to upload as much as I possibly can, and I hope you like the video. Do comment in the section down below, tell me your thoughts, and of course don't forget to subscribe and share to your lovely friends. Alright, we'll see you next time.